Hello everyone, welcome to Crafty channel. My name is Diana and today I'm going to show you how to personalize your own mugs and make them dishwasher safe. For this project you'll need a piece of white paper, a pencil, your colored choice of Sharpies, a clear mug, some nail polish remover and some tissues. Start by sketching out your design and play with the different colors. Use your final sketch as a guide and replicate it onto your clear mug by using the Sharpie markers. Use a tissue damp nail polish remover to erase any mistakes or undesired areas. Once you finish personalizing your mug, it's time to place it in the oven. This will prevent your ink from fading when using the dishwasher. In order to prevent your mugs from breaking, place them inside the oven before turning it on. Sudden changes of temperature are the #1 cause for your mugs to crack. Make sure not to skip this step. Set the oven for 375 degrees and bake it for 20 minutes. 375 degrees is more or less 190 Celsius. When your mugs finish baking, make sure to let them cool down with the oven. You can simply just leave them be, or in order to cool down faster, you can open the oven door just a tiny bit. And there you go, your mugs are now dishwasher proof. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time.